So simple query is nothing but a writing a query on single object. Simple query in writing a single object. The rules to write a query. The rules to write a query. First one, need to retrieve only the required fields, and then where condition, need to retrieve only the required field. Consider that I have a 200 fields in my record, but I need only two values, two column values. So I need to retrieve only two columns instead of keeping all fields in a list. I mean in a query. Clear? Now, and in the compared to the other database, and here we do not have a star mark will work. Here star mark will not work. You need to write pure query. First I am writing a simple query. Simple query. Select id, comma, name, comma, custom field underscore underscore c from account where name not equal to null. Select id, name, custom field. If you have a custom field, you can represent custom field with followed by underscore underscore c. Clear? Now we'll execute this. Here you can execute directly in query editor. Execute. Custom field is not there. Activate active underscore underscore c is our custom field. One custom field is there. Accounts, account fields. Okay, it was updated with the namespace. So, why Lakshmi Deepak is coming? Why Lakshmi Deepak is coming? You remembered? No, not API name. You remembered while creating a package we activated namespace. Lakshmi Deepak namespace along with two underscores. So everywhere you can see the custom fields which we defined, it will append with a underscore underscore. Lakshmi Deepak underscore underscore. Every component it will get override. Except the standard, only custom fields I am talking about. Clear? Yeah, okay. And then now we'll see next query. Before going to see here, for a parent to child and child to parent, parent to child and child to parent, we need to remember these points. Notes. First one, we need to check which relationship they have, what is the relationship field name, what is the child relationship relationship name. Okay, child relationship name is also a field which is available at a, if I go to contacts, accounts and contacts are in lookup relation, right? If I go to contacts, if I open account name, what is child relationship name? What is child relationship name? See, whenever we are writing a child to parent or parent to child, I mean inner queries, we need to keep remember these 3 points for sure. Now we'll see. Now we'll see parent to child. Yes. To write a query, we need to know these 3 details. You should know these 3 details API names. Then only you can complete inner query. Otherwise, you will not. These information you have directly when you open the field. You have to open up the relationship field. That's it. Now, parent to child. So I mean parent to child in the sense I wanted to retrieve a parent details inside child record. I wanted to retrieve parent details inside child record. So it means when I write a query on my contact, I need to retrieve my account name. Okay? Okay. Tell me how to retrieve my contact. I just want to retrieve my contact. Let me go back here. I wanted to retrieve only contact records. Select ID, comma, last name from contact. But I wanted to retrieve my account also. Okay, fine. Let me ask you this question. If I go to contacts, if I open my contact, if I click account name, ideally we are selecting account name to something, okay? If I say ACCU to save, ideally what it's storing? Is this storing ACC minus U2 or something else? Yesterday's trigger issue. What in lookup field or master detailed field, what value will get stored? Mayur. Hello. Fine, guys. No response, nothing. Fine. In lookup fields are a master detail relationship, the ID field will get referenced. It is not storing the field. You can see the below. You can see the here. You can see the ID of a URL. So it means the account name or any lookup field will store only ID, record ID, not with a name. So you are saying name is just because it is rendering name, but ideally in database it stores only ACC minus U2 ID, record ID. I mean to say, they will store this record ID as a field value. No matches found. They do search and they will store. What is this? Sorry? No, that we can. How to get that? That was my question. Here account name. How to retrieve? My lookup field name is account. So if I want to retrieve the standard field relationship, if we want to retrieve the standard fields, if we want to retrieve the standard fields ID, fourth one, if you want to retrieve standard field, standard relationship, parent ID, syntax follows. Relationship field name plus ID. So what is the relationship field name I have here? What is the relationship field name? Account. So what I need to pass with my sentence? Account plus ID, right? Any response? Fine. Account ID, execute. So I get account ID is one. How to get my account name? How to get my name? I mean I need to get the details of account record which are related to it. So how to get my account name and everything? To get account name, to get account name, to get parent details inside child, syntax follows. Relationship field name plus dot plus parent field name to retrieve in child object. So what I mean to say, if I want to retrieve my name of account, if I want to retrieve Indu particularly to you, if I want to retrieve the name from a account inside contact, from this sentence what I need to do? What is our child relationship name between account and contact? Account. With can you complete this sentence by doing a concatenation of a string? I wanted to retrieve my account name. I mean name field from account. What is our relationship field name? Relationship field name, sorry, account, and then we have dot, account dot. Which field we want to retrieve? Which field we want to display? What is the API name for account name? Gone. Okay. Fine. What is the API name, field name for account name? So account dot name. So if I want to retrieve in contact, then I need to go developer console, account ID, comma, account dot name, or I can put account dot phone. Which field I want? That's my wish. Account dot phone, account dot name. You will get everything. Clear? Yeah. Now parent to child is clear. Clear, right? Any doubt? But keep remember, you need to follow these 4.5 points whenever you are writing a query. Yes, guys. Yes, you need to remember in relationship queries. I'm not talking about simple query is fine. You can do whatever you want. But relationship, yes, you need to remember. Now, child to parent. I mean, child to parent means I wanted to display child record into parent record. Now I have a question. For one child, how many parents? If one child, how many parents? For one parent, how many childs? Yeah. Now here we are expecting a collection of data inside one record, right? So if you have a collection, if you are writing at a parent level to get a child, always you need to write inner queries. Okay? Inner queries. Inner queries will look like this. Example, select ID, comma, name, comma, open bracket, close bracket, select ID, comma, name from child relationship name, child relationship name from parent object. Okay, this is how the query looks. Even you can keep where condition here. Even you can keep where condition. Where name not equal to null. You can keep that, no issues. You can write a where condition. Clear? I'm just splitting up this query so that it would be easy to understand. Now, can you explain how to retrieve my now working example? I'll see working example. Mayur, Mayur. I wanted to retrieve contact records inside account record. Can you give me the query based on the first sentence? I mean this one. What? Okay. First, let me complete this one. Which relationship they have? Accounts and contacts. Great. Lookup. And what is the relationship field name? Account. What is the child relationship name? Contacts. And okay, everything is fine. Now let's complete this sentence. If I want to retrieve contact first name and ID inside account object. So how query goes? Select ID, comma, name. Okay. Select ID, last name from contact, right? Contact, contacts, child relationship name, yes, from account. spelling mistake. Clear? You can say collection of data. Okay, this is not much understandable. Let me put Google. Okay, this is gone. I don't know. Workbench is not loading. Okay, since yesterday it is not working. So you can see this is one connection. This flower basis to this flower basis is one connection. So how many contacts this United Oil and Gas have now? D Cruise and Replay, two contacts, right? Hello. You can see last name, last name. That means they have two contacts. Here also two contacts. So you are getting collection of data inside parent, because the parent can have multiple childs. So you will always expect a multiple record. So only we are going with the inner query. So only we are going with the inner query. Clear to this point? Standard. Okay. SSCYUNT account.